Okay, Bobbi Boss. I mean, I'm not mad at this one. This one is cute. This one is a simple look, but you know, I'm a little bit here for it. Okay, Bobbi Boss. These curls, girl.
You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Some bands or not, leave me where I stand or not. We gon' make some plans or not, please me with them hands or not. Is you a fan or not? Do you understand or not? You gon' come back home or not? Leave my ass alone or not? Pick up your phone or not? Get inside my zone or not? Is you gon' ride or not? Even through all the flaws, is you gon' hide or not? Cause I've been seeking cause and feeling freaking lost. I think I paid the cost, been living like a boss, so guess I'll take the loss. Together, I know you never thought I'd forget it forever. Never been in endeavor, pretending under the pressure. I'm here to bless ya, it's clear I don't wanna stress ya. You hate to party, but never forget my birthday. Birthday, work, ay, hit me where it hurts, ay. I go berserk, they drinking like they thirsty, and in the worst way, just to numb the hurt, babe. Living like the worst day, thinking I've been cursed, ay. You gotta work late, sinking in the worst way, worst day. I can feel the hurt, babe, hurt, babe, hurt, babe. I can feel the worst pain.
There ain't no way I let you down, no matter the day, always be around. There ain't no way I let you down, no matter the day, always be around.
Is you gon' ride or not? Even through all the flaws, is you gon' hide or not? Cause I've been seeking cause and feeling freaking lost. I think I paid the cost, been living like a boss, so guess I'll take the loss.
I let you down, no matter the day, always be around. There ain't no way I let you down, no matter the day, always be around.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one, of course, is from Bobbi Boss. I'm wearing it in the style MLF243 Harena and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with 13x4 HD lace parting space, as well as it's pre-plucked and with baby hair. So let me just come in a little bit and show you guys what the baby hairs on this one is looking like, as well as the hairline. So you guys, I feel like the hairline on this one is really good. As you can see, I kind of did go in and swoop a little sideburn action. So you are able to get away with a good amount of parting space, honey. And that hairline, I feel like, is looking pretty good. They definitely did a good job at plugging this one out. So as you can see, the length on this one is on the shorter side. It comes just to my shoulders, and I am 5'3" for reference. So this is definitely a natural length. I'm really liking the curls on this unit. The texture on this unit is definitely coming off as a medium Yaki, so I definitely do like that. The cap size on this unit is definitely coming off small, medium, and possibly big head friendly. I did actually have to go in and adjust the straps on this one, and the cap does have a bit of stretch to it. So I do think if you do have a larger size head, this one is one you possibly could get away with wearing. So the density on this unit is definitely on the more natural side. If I had to guess, I want to say it's about 130%, and if you fluff these curls out, you can probably get it more close to about 150%. So it's definitely a very natural length as well as a natural density, honey. This one is also heat safe. It doesn't list to what degree you can go up to, but just to be on the safe side, I would go up to about 350 degrees. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. Honestly, I don't really have any cons with this unit. I didn't experience any tangling. I literally didn't get any shedding whatsoever. My pros on this unit are, I think the hairline is very nice. The baby hairs were very nice as well. I didn't feel the need to go and cut them down. I just went and swooped them as always, so I really did like that. The density on it, I like the fact that it's natural. Like I said, the length is very natural. I feel like this is definitely going to be a super easy one. This seems like it's definitely beginner friendly, as well as it seems like it's going to be able to be one of those everyday units, just because it's very simple. The texture on it makes me feel like it'll last a good amount of time. The hair quality seems very nice. The parting space, with that 13x4 parting space, you can definitely get away with doing versatile styles. I feel like all in all, this is honestly a really super cute unit, and I feel like it's definitely worth it, especially if you're looking for something that's a throw in and go, that's not too glamorous, but is very cute for just everyday wear. I feel like this one is definitely right down that aisle, honey. So that's honestly pretty much what I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up and any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.